Let's see how they did. All right, starting off with a bit of color. I did ask for a spiral, but meh. As you can see, this guy knows a bit of gymnastics. Overall, not many fell. I asked for a straight line this time, since it struggled. We got some nice zooms. What? But they fall like schoolgirls in love. And I don't know what the hell this is, this congregation. Well, they're not gonna connect. We all know that's not how they work. Hey, I didn't know they could breakdance. Wait, what? It's like they're doing Ring-a-Ring-a-Rosie and all falling down. Lacking the transfer of energy with this one. What? AI's out here giving Dominoes the full Marvel send-off. Surely we can get something close. Whoopsie days, spoke too soon. We're just spinning and then stop? I see how it is. Big Red's out here recruiting like he's a cult leader. And this is my one. Hours in Blender trying to get this right. Notice the correct transfer of energy? They're not flopping around like a fish out of water, not randomly appearing out of nowhere, just nice, smooth, and real.